Freezone or Mainland license? Which one is best for your business? Hello everyone, welcome to Kindredsoul. Do you want to start a business in the UAE? You need to choose between a free zone and mainland license. We will help you understand the difference between the free zone and mainland to make the right choice. The UAE offers two types of licenses, free zone and mainland. Each has its own pros and cons. Let's explore the differences. A free zone license lets you operate in a special area. You get 100% foreign ownership, no taxes, few regulations, easy steps. So free zone are great for the international trade, manufacturing and services. A mainland license lets you operate anywhere in the UAE. You get access to the local market, the government contracts, expansion opportunities, flexible business activities. So the mainland licenses are the ideal for business that want to tap into the local market, work with the government entities, or expand across all over the UAE. So what are the difference between the free zone and mainland licenses? Here is a quick summary. If you discuss about the ownership, free zones offer 100% foreign ownership, while mainland license requires a local sponsor. Also, mainland offers a 100% foreign ownership. If we will discuss about the taxes, free zone have no taxes, while mainland license also have no taxes, but only corporate tax on the net profit up above from 3,75,000 dirhams. Now that you know the differences, choose the right license for your business. Choose a free zone license for international trade and minimum regulations. Choose a mainland license for local market access and expansion. Also, it's valid for international trade. Thank you so much for your watching. If you have any questions, need further assistance, please feel free to reach out at our dedicated number. Our team is available for you for any kind of support and any kind of guidance. We will available for you. Thank you.